So if you don't have an in-house PR team, it can be very daunting to even approach this. And then oftentimes you'll speak to a PR agency who will, come at you with a whole load more terms that you've never heard before, and it can all seem very overwhelming and very scary. And I think human beings are, particularly in professional environments, inherently scared to step out of the things that they know that they can deliver really, really well. And that I completely understand. The thing that you're neglecting there is the kind of, this is nothing new, but SEO, AI search, all of the elements of brand visibility really aren't single channel or platform disciplines. If you just spend all of your time just really honing in and just looking at your own website, you will plateau eventually. Like, you'll run out of things to talk about, you'll run out of ways to improve your website from a technical perspective, and you'll just be chasing the algorithm. What you really need to be aware of is, well, what are the other areas that my audience is showing up in, whether that's on Reddit, whether that's in specific comparison sites, whether that's in specific blogs or newspapers or media outlets, whatever that may be. Your audience is going there, so should you. And oftentimes this is an audience who are looking for useful information in the buying or purchase or inquiry journey. And it gives you more opportunities to influence that because you're showing up in all the right places. If you don't have a team who can execute on that, again, start with exactly understanding who your audience and who your customer is and where they're showing up. Then you can start formulating a strategy that actually looks at what you can do and what you feel like you can't. And if you're working with limited resources, that's when you start to say, well, rather than bringing in a full agency, maybe I need a freelancer, maybe I need somebody to just do this one specific role. Obviously, there are lots of really good tools, including our own, where you can use these, that you can see where your audience is showing up and give you a bit more of a steer in this regard. But don't be scared of it, but also don't jump into it too readily. Really have a look at what you're trying to achieve as a brand, what opportunities you're currently not taking advantage of, and prioritise. That's all I can say. There isn't an absolute rule to this, but it's very rare that somebody can't find value in leveraging a site which already houses loads and loads of your customers.